on the back of the truck, tailgating. Old style.
Yeah.
Here we go. There's Mommy's feet. Whoa. Is this fun? Is this fun, Air Fries? Your first time. You're a country boy today. You get to go on a train. You got to feed the horses. You get to ride on the back of a truck. You're gonna get to go on the train. Country boy. Whoa. We're not going.
Definitely not fidgeting.
We're only going about 80 miles an hour. It's not too fast. Not too fast.
He's got his daddy seatbelt, huh?
Yeah, daddy seatbelt. Who's got daddy in a daddy seatbelt?
Nobody.
Nobody. So if daddy falls out,
Gravity. Yeah. Daddy's tucking and rolling.
Yeah. Little pill bug. There's Grandpa. Grandpa. Hi. Hi, Grandpa.
Taking a little detour.
Woo! We're going around the block. Do you see the stop sign? See that stop sign? It's a stop sign. Stop sign. Very good.